Okay, so 122, they say Leo solved the system by graphing, and it's shown at the right. So first it says estimate, then it says what's the equation of each line, and then it says solve. So let's, now that we know what we're supposed to do, let's zoom in on this and just use this graph, right? That's all we need, right? Okay, so if I were going to estimate, right, this would be my estimate. So for A, I would say that it looks like it's at, 1 1/3 maybe, 1 1/3. 1 1/3, so that's at 4/3. And the y direction, I don't know, maybe 2 1/3, right? So that's 7/3. So I'm going to guess that. That's my estimate for A. Now for B, they want us to find the equation of the lines. So to do that, let's indicate which lines are which. Let's call this the red line, right? And this one the purple line, right? Okay. So for the red line, the y-intercept is at 1, right? B equals 1. And the slope, I'm just going to count off, right? So I'm going to count from here up 2 over 2, right? So the slope is 1. So m equals 1. So the equation is y equals 1x plus 1, or x plus 1. So there's the equation of the first one. Now for the second line, I need the y-intercept, and it's right there. So the y-intercept is 5. And the slope, let me count. I'm going to count down right here, down 2 over 1, right? So the slope is -2. So the equation is y equals -2x plus 5. Okay, and then for the last part, for C, they wanted us to solve and see what the actual answer is, right? This, is our estimate, right? So for C, I'm going to use equal value method since they're both solved for y. So I get x plus 1 equals -2x plus 5. I add 2x to both sides, so I get 3x plus 1 equals 5. 3x equals 4, right? Subtract 1. X equals 4/3. Hey, I did pretty good on my estimate. A is 4/3, right? X is for part A. Okay, now I'm going to put that into one of the two equations. I'm going to choose the first one, y equals x plus 1. So y equals 4/3 plus 1. Y equals 4/3 plus 3/3. So y equals 7/3. So actually my estimate was right. It is 4/3. 7/3 is the actual answer for this problem.